Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy about what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear your doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading, Pisces. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. Today we have 6 of Pentacles in reverse, 7 of Wands, Queen of Swords in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you are making a lot of efforts, you are working really hard, you have competition, people working with you, competing with you, and though you are making great efforts, situation is not so easy for you. So in your work circumstances, a lot of difficulties, but you need not lose heart because you are in an advantageous position. You have everything you need. You are skilled and talented, focused, dedicated, and you're making good efforts. That is going to help you. Though you may see troubles, your hard work and dedication is going to see through your situation, help you see through your circumstances today, Pisces. That may be true for your relationship also. So you may have a level of understanding with this person, but still things are going in a difficult way. You may have a lot of misunderstanding, arguments, controversial circumstances. You are trying to be really friendly. You are trying to be honest with them. But whatever you do, this person is not someone who accepts your, um, what to say, accepts your ideas, suggestions, or they are not ready to see through, see beyond these troubles. So they have a lot of plans or they have a lot of dreams for their future, and that is the reason they are not trying to make changes, trying to resolve this situation in this relationship, maybe whatever misunderstanding you both have. So this person may be someone in a good position in life. They may have a lot of people watching them, a lot of people attracted to them, and or they may have a lot of people proposing them, and that may be the reason they are not showing any interest in you. And this person cannot be trusted, Pisces. Maybe you are honest, you want this love, but this person's intentions are not good, so they cannot be trusted. That is what I feel with these cards, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Death in reverse. So there are some changes happening in this love. You are quite confused about the next step, what you need to do, or what will be their reaction, or what will be your decision. So there is lack of clarity. You may feel stuck, maybe disappointed. So that is what I see, Pisces. So if you want to make a decision, maybe you must postpone any important decisions in this relationship. You must wait for clarity. So let us see what is the card for your career. It's Page of Pentacles. So there is a good news opportunity coming to you. It may be a big opportunity, something that is going to make you very happy today, Pisces. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it says Bluebeard, Taboos. So in your circumstances today, you may be really close to someone. It may be the person you love, or it may be a friend of yours. But this person has a lot of secrets, and maybe you are curious to know more about this person. You want to find out more information about them because you feel that they are not telling you the truth or they are not being honest with you. But the truth they are hiding may be dangerous to you, may be dangerous to this relationship you have with them. But you need to be curious. You need to find out about them because this relationship, if it holds a lot of secrets, these are not good secrets, and you cannot forgive this person for whatever they are holding from you. So there are certain things that are happening in this relationship between you both. There are a lot of difficulties, a lot of emotions or feelings you are hiding, or this person is hiding from you. And it may be quite dangerous for them to reveal the truth because they are afraid that they may lose you. But you should be close to this person only if you have a complete understanding. If you do not have a complete understanding about them, you should take a step back and you must listen to people who are close to you, your friends or family members whom you trust and whom you know for sure are really concerned about your welfare. So you must trust to their ideas and suggestions. Maybe they will be able to see things that you are not able to see clearly about this person, about this love. So you must respect their suggestions, listen to it. That is going to help you today. So that is the energy here with this card. And whatever secrets are being hidden from you, today all those secrets are coming out for sure, and you will know the truth today in this relationship. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have come to the edge. So with this card, the energy for y'all is that this may be the time for you to take a risk. It may be for something beautiful. Maybe when you are having some inhibition to be close to someone, when you are holding something, holding your emotions or feelings not to be revealed, and you don't want to be really intimate with anyone because you are afraid that they will know your true heart. But taking that risk is going to help you. Only when you build a relationship on truth, it is going to last forever. So it is necessary, it's important to speak up, to tell this other person what you need to tell them. Tell about yourself. Tell about what your hopes are and what your dreams are. And this is not the time to play it safe. This may be the time to take the leap of faith. And you will be glad that you did it, because if you are seeking a truthful relationship, that is the first step. So letting this other person see your true self, your true nature, your true emotions, that is going to help you, and that is going to work in a magical way. By taking this risk, you are building a beautiful relationship based on trust and honesty. So you must take heart and take that leap of faith. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.